Tired of Midjourney's limitations and sky-high costs? Meet Flux AI, the game-changing image generation tool that's set to redefine creativity. With stunning results, unparalleled flexibility, and an open-source heart, Flux AI is the future of image creation. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know to master this powerful tool and unlock your imagination. Get ready to be amazed. Flux AI can even create clear images of human hands and feet, which can be difficult for other image generation tools to do accurately. To run this tool locally, you'll need comfy UI. However, most users don't have a powerful PC, so you can test this tool online. I'll leave the link in the description. You can run it on Replicate or Hugging Face. Here, I'm showing you the Flux AI models, Flux Dev, Flux Schnell, and the Pro version. After opening both models, paste your prompt, then go to the advanced settings where you can customize options like seed, image height, and width. After that, simply click the Run button. I'll apply the same settings to the Schnell model too. Schnell is a faster model, while Dev is a bit slower, but the results are quite good. Here, you can see the results of the Schnell model's image. It's not bad. And on the other hand, Flux Dev is still generating results. This model is a bit slower and boom, here are the results. You can see the difference. You can download the image by clicking the little download button. Let's try some random prompts to test the exceptional properties and capabilities of the Flux AI model, including its mind-blowing prompt following abilities, blazingly fast image generation in 4 steps, and its 12 billion parameter model released under the permissive Apache license for a wide range of use cases. Okay, now let's see if this model can generate hands correctly. And here we go. You can see the results from both models. What do you think, guys? Try these models and update me in the comments section. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI adventures. And remember, the future of creativity is in your hands, or rather, in the hands of these amazing models. Until next time.